Visit the Columbia Lightship right here, and which is out by the Maritime Museum. So we have to go around onto the pier here. So let's go visit it. There's the Columbia Lightship, and we're coming around here. I think they used that for navigation purposes in the old days. So you didn't have a lighthouse in the area, so they put a light ship out there that had the big beacon on the top. If you can see it way up there, I think it has a bunch of lights on it there. All right, and here it is, the Columbia Lightship. We're going to go on board and check it out here. You got the water slapping up against the side. Going to go up here onto the gangplank here. All right.
Good morning.
Hello.
Welcome aboard.
There's my.
Thank you.
Okay.
The only complaint we have men coming aboard that served on the ship is that the biggest complaint. We don't really have options like
All right. On the Lightship, and there's the light way up there at the flag. We're going to just walk up in the front here and look back. Got my hat screwed on good so I don't lose it. It's not raining, which is good. A little chilly out today, but yeah, there we go. There's that big light. How'd you like to climb up that ladder to service that light out at sea? But I think this was like moored at a place here as we go here. Let's see if we can go inside here. Watch my step. Watch my head. We can look inside here. Can't go in there, but take a look in there. Not much happened. Just some controls in there. Come back down and watch my step here. Steep steps here. Okay, we're doing good. Come back around here to the aft portion. Here. Not a big ship, but big enough, I guess, here. And we got the flag flying here on the back, which is always nice. See the flag of our nation so proudly displayed here, and come back and look at the ship up there, and come back on board here on the Lightship.
Now, if somebody does take a flight down the water 5 miles out at sea, so you can get a compass bearing or a radio signal and get in across the bar in bad weather.
Okay.
So yes, there was a definite reason for it to be out there in 200 feet of water.
Okay, and so was it like anchored out there? Is how they kept it
for 28 years.
But did they have a crew on board?
Absolutely, 24/7.
Yeah, to maintain it, because you had to have some engine running to give power to the light.
12 people would be on board, 2 to 4 weeks at a time.
All right.
Gotta keep mine.
Thanks. All right, we're going below on the Lightship here. We get an excellent opportunity to have a look around. I will watch my head because there's low clearance here. And I'm going to turn this off while I get down to... Made it down inside the Columbia Lightship here. And look around here. There's some other folks there. Other tourists checking out the inside here. Looks like we got the Queen there. It's actually Nora Jane. Looks like the Queen of England, but it's not. So, okay. Go back here. Lightship Columbia. Looks like you got some quarters in there. You got your bunk. It's pretty basic. No paneling on the walls or anything there, but you got a sink and a bunk. What more do you need there? That bunk looks like a fairly good size. So, yeah. Okay. Crew quarters in here. This one's slightly different, but still about the same. You come out here. You got a little desk. Of course, like I said, Lightship Columbia. Looks like a galley or something in here. Got some heaters going. No more space. Got TV. I guess they can pass stuff through from the kitchen in there, it looks like. And come back over here. And we can go back on the other side here into the kitchen. Oh, I got more stuff back here. I can't go down there. There's a gate. Oh, here we go. This must be the galley area here. Got all your tables, your easy chairs, everything here. I think he said it had a crew of 16 here, so I'll come back to that. Got the number one thing that you need on the ship is the good old Bonomatic coffee maker. Must have brewed a lot of that here. So, and luckily they aren't glass, of course. Those are stainless steel, so it doesn't break. And we come back here. We got more areas here. A couple more bunks back here. These are like maybe not the ship's officers, because there's 4 to a room here. Same thing down here. 4 bunks. Big lockers there. And kind of tight there. And this is your bathroom. Your basic toilets and urinals. And looks like showers there. The sink. And more sinks over there. And come back here, and it's the same thing. Some more crew quarters here for not so private as the other ones here. But I come out here, got a ladder going up, and I think I missed part of the kitchen here. I'm going to come back here and see if I can get in here. Yeah, I missed part of this. Here we go. This is the other part of that little trapdoor that goes into that room, like a little break room or something. And this got your grill here, cook many a burger on there probably. You got your sinks, maybe a dishwasher there. That's a bread box there, sorry. And some more stuff back there, high voltage. And in here, you got, looks like your communication room. Here, all your comms and everything, another flag in there, looks pretty good. Amateur radio station there also. Visitors welcome. Well, no, it's locked, so visitors welcome, I guess, back in the day there. I'm going to go back up to the top here. Okay, this came up from that ladder. And that's emergency exit. It says this is the exit. I gotta go out this big door here. So let's see if I can push this guy open here. Here we go. Going out. Coming back out on deck. Breeze is picking up here. Close the door. And I'm back here where I started from. So good time. So it was a good tour. Thank you very much. It was an excellent tour. I thoroughly enjoyed it then. Thanks. Gotta watch my step here, so I'm going to turn this off while I go off here. I think that's the Astoria Bridge off in the distance there. And we got other parts of our crew here taking photos here, which is always good. And there's the bridge up there, and the museum is right over there, and the lightship is right in the back of it here. So okay, heading back to the